how to fix your Hinge two-factor authentication problem. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, of course. You want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. You can also try restarting your router if you need to. You can also try to restart your Hinge application from the recent apps and reopen it. Always make sure that you have checked the 2FA code correctly and enter the only correct code. If it's not working, you can also try checking your SMS or Authenticator application, or you could also simply go ahead and click on resend code. Always make sure that your device time or your device date and time settings is set to automatic, because it will cause some syncing error. If that is not the case, then you want to simply make sure that you use a backup code or even try updating the Hinge application. If none of it works, try restarting your phone or visit hinge.co/help to contact support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.